Tyler's new self-cooling low-lying fog machine is really awesome, but we needed a way to hide it in the yard. So we built this. This pet tombstone is open on two sides to hide the fog chiller and give it plenty of room to breathe. But before it looked cool, it looked like this. This is an owl statue, and it actually has solar-powered eyes that light up at night. I just cut 4 squares of 2-inch EPS foam board, and then I used my Cricut to create some letters. So this is 2mm thick craft foam, and you're just gonna push this down. Now it's important that you get the foam really stuck to the mat. Now I'm going to feed this in, and you press the little feeder button. When it's ready, you press the start button, and it will start running it out. I'm just gonna pick them out of here. All right, it's upside down. It's Professor Woot, but you can see it. Once the cutting was done, I used some Loctite spray adhesive to glue the foam letters to the monument. Then I got out my hot wire foam cutter to bevel the edges of all of the foam. I used a soldering pin to engrave little cracks. And this is what the monument looked like before paint. I always start every paint project with a coat of flat black house paint. You want to make sure you get it in all the little nooks and crannies and crevices. And for this project, I just came over the top of that with a very light coat of beige that I just misted on until it looked the way I wanted it to. And then I took some watered down brown. The brown makes it look really weathered, like it's been sitting out in the rain for a long time. I had to use a little bit of hot glue to stick the eyes and solar panel back to the owl because it was just really cheaply made. They were already falling out. And yes, that is a leftover sushi container from lunch that I am using as a palette for black paint. Adding some black to all the details really makes the effects pop at night. This is a clever and inconspicuous way to hide your expensive fog machine in the yard, and a perfect example of how you can repurpose almost anything into a Halloween tombstone. This season we are running 3 fog machines, 2,000-watt ones, and then Tyler this year ordered this American DJ Mr. Cool 2. It is a self-chilling fog machine. It has a compartment in it for ice, and this is the one we're gonna put inside the new owl monument. So we're gonna go. So we're gonna go put it in the yard and get some video footage of it working.
Wow.